Hey everybody, Jason Wallingford here with Trophy Properties and Auction. Today I'm here in Boone County, Missouri, just northwest of Columbia, with habitat specialist Jody Graff on 155 acres. We're going to be selling an internet-only auction. Jody, tell us a little bit about the property.
This is a really diverse hunting property. You've got big cedar thickets and warm season grasses, tillable ground, food plots. This has been a very successful hunting property and well managed for 10 years inside. There's clover food plots in the back.
Nice.
Very secluded little food plots that set up really nice.
Well, I'm looking forward to checking this property out. Let's hop on the Ranger and take a tour.
Let's go.
All right.
Boone County, Missouri is home to fertile soils abounded with recreational and agricultural opportunities. This 155-acre tract combines those opportunities with exceptional location only 10 minutes from Columbia. Approximately 50 acres of row crop provides income along with whitetail, turkey, and upland habitat. Included on the property is a thriving, maintained orchard consisting of apple, peach, persimmon, and pear trees, extensive timber stand improvement work, 10 years of strict trophy management, and manicured food plots help to create hunting possibilities not found often.
The best thing about this property, folks, it's selling online auction, 155 acres, one track. Bidding will end Wednesday, January 15th at 10 a.m. For complete details, visit our website at trophypa.com. If you'd like to set up a private tour, give Jody a call. Jody, give him the digits.
It's 660-973-1606.